Hey folks, over in our plastic extrusion area, we rely heavily on consistent cooling and clean water. When we installed the system, we followed a supplier's advice and used a traditional tank-based filtration and cooling unit. But over time, we saw the waste add up. The tanks and hoses were cluttered and took up space in the walkway. Power consumption was also high, around 15 horsepower, and despite the filters, we had to fully replace the water every few days to avoid defects. The turning point came when someone from our team spotted a closed loop cooling system at a fish market of all places. We gave it a shot and the results were massive. The new inline heat exchanger is just one third the size and tucks neatly under the extrusion line, keeping the walkway totally clear and improving operator access and safety. We've eliminated the tangled hoses and tanks, simplified the water flow, and reduced power consumption to just 5 horsepower. The closed loop design also keeps our water cleaner for longer, meaning less waste, fewer defects, and far easier maintenance. It's a great example how lean thinking and a little bit of curiosity can drive serious improvements. Thanks so much.